Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi 11T Pro and I'll show you how you can turn on always on display. So at the first we have to open the settings, move to the always in display and the lock screen, select always in display and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. You can also find here a lot of custom options. You can pick different themes, you can add your signature, you can change the text, color, text position, change bold of your font, text size. You can also change the display items, so you can customize a lot of things. And take a look. As you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.